we're gonna draw Yu JungHyeok, prettiest man in all movies. You know, I want to make some weird thing, actually weird stuff, but I will make it. Just make a line in a poem. Actually, we made it. Here we should make something like this. We have done it. So we just right now we should to make a distance. Distance is gonna be this point you have made first. So I think it's half. You know, we should point here too and point here. So this distance is gonna be this stuff. So we're gonna draw his eyes. So pretty. I cannot explain it. Am I right or am I wrong? I don't know. I think I will take a little bit more than I have done. You can use your fingers or something like that, everything. I don't know why I decided to make something so weird stuff, but you know, I have done it, so that's okay. I've never drawn like this, only. But, you know, we can draw like this. We can draw as we want. From everything to everything. So we have done with his one eye. It's good. The prettiest man in all manhwas. Everybody know him. So point here, making the same stuff. I will hope like I didn't make a mistake. If I made, I will start again. It's okay, but you know, I don't want it actually. I really don't want it. So I think, I know I have made a mistake, but I think I can fix it. Where I made a mistake, here you should make a point a little bit higher here and going down a little bit, but I will fix it with his hair. So here is okay. It looks a little bit weird, but that's okay. I think so. I think we can fix it. It's gonna be a good lesson to you. Like you can fix everything you want. Here, this distance right there. Eyes a little bit bigger than this one line. What else? Point up, going down. If you will point a little bit lower, it's gonna be too good. Not so matter, but you have to make this point a little bit higher as I show you. But if you made like me, you should make something like this. Here you should draw his hair. After you can paint it and nothing will be seen. No one will see this stuff you have made. It's hard to draw, you know, prettiest man in all manhwas, in all manhwa world, you know. Everybody's saying it. From the first picture, they was talking about it, like how pretty Yu JungHyeok in all world. Everybody have fallen in love, you know. So he was so pretty. Kim Dok-chang talk about it a lot of time. The main character, evil, brutal, and other things. Is he's not from our world. He have tried to. I think everybody know about him. So just draw. Here we gonna make his brown a little bit lower, right there, going. So we're gonna make something like this stuff and going higher. We have really big brown actually. I have noticed right now. I have never noticed this stuff. Really big brown actually. It's not a weird, but you know, it's interesting. You have noticed something like this when you're drawing someone. Really, I have never noticed this stuff. Like you have so big browns. Maybe this is the reason why it's so pretty this character is. The cold eyes with a lot of pain. He has so a lot of death in his reincarnation. Okay, right there. And you know, his jawline is so good. Here, point we have made. Here we should to make another 1 point. Here we're making another 1 point, and after make connection with them. That's everything what we have to do. I think you noticed, yeah, where I made a point, like in the center here and a little bit there. Here too, you know, in the center, right there, and a little going that way. You are my fire, the one desire, believe when I say I'm going that way. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why ain't nothing but I'm never gonna hear you say I'm gone there. Oh, he got a really massive neck. Oh my god, that he's brutal, you know. Right now he looks like another monk. Really, I have drawn someone else. If we will change his haircut, it's gonna be another character. I don't know. I think he looks like another character, but who? I don't know. If you know, you can write in a comment if you want. If you not, you don't need it. So, okay. Ears. We have made them a little bigger. Okay. I don't like big ears, but you should to make them a little bit bigger because you know you do have big ears. So hair, it's the most important thing right now. Just let me make some details. Make points here a little bigger as this here. You know, we have made the first line. Doesn't really a lot of matter, I think, but you have to. We have some trouble because hairs are massive and we don't have space to draw them enough. It's my bad. But I haven't think about it, so you know, I think it's not completely my bad. Maybe it's yours. Here from the neck, we're gonna make his hair. We're starting from the neck, going up to his ear, and right there we have some air, you know. Spring is making some things. Is like I think every time he has some trouble with his haircut. Every time. If Kim Dok-chul don't have it, Yu JungHyeok have every time because he is using best shampoo or other stuff to make his hair good. Here we have something like that. He looks like a girl. Actually, he's so pretty. I cannot even tell something. He's really pretty. Here we should do something like that, and here this stuff going up. That's everything, but you have to know. Some details right there, right here. Okay, we have done it. So let me draw his neck, his costume, the black suite. I think, I don't know, when somebody read the number or no, if someone did, how many chapters we have, because I think, and it's close, but I don't know where it's gonna be. I think we're not even close to the end. We are or we're not? Here is my question, because I am waiting to, I want to read a lot of chapters, and I'm waiting. I still waiting. So I think I haven't read this. So we have done it. We have drawn him. I will add some details after. So thank you for watching. Again, 10 minutes. Shit. Okay, thank you.